Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Passwords app on iOS 18. If you have ever struggled with managing multiple passwords or keeping them secure, this app is designed to simplify that for you. The Passwords app on iOS 18 is designed to help you securely store, manage and autofill passwords for websites, apps and services. It integrates with iCloud Keychain, allowing your passwords to sync across all your Apple devices, ensuring you have access to them wherever you are. With Passwords app, you can save passwords securely in an encrypted format. You can auto-generate strong, unique passwords for the new accounts. It is possible to autofill saved credentials when logging in to websites or apps. Receive security alerts for weak or compromised passwords. You can easily update or delete saved passwords. The app is designed to simplify password management while keeping your information secure, reducing the need for third-party password managers. For security reasons, when you open Passwords app, you need to unlock it with your Face ID or passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. So only those people who can unlock your iPhone can gain access to your passwords and login information. Passwords app data is automatically populated from your iCloud keychain. Here you will find codes, passkeys, Wi-Fi passwords and passwords with security issues. You can tap any of the boxes to see its contents. The box All contains all the information stored in Passwords app. When you open any box, you will find that the data is listed in alphabetical order. And you can even search for the specific term using search box at the top. You can arrange the data by tapping two arrow icon at the bottom left side. And then sort in ascending or descending order. Now tap any of the entry to see its details. The password is initially hidden. When you tap on password, it will be revealed. In case password is weak, then you will even find an option to upgrade the password. When you tap upgrade password, it will be redirected to the particular website and then you can change the password. If you want to delete any of the entry, then just swipe the entry to the left and then tap delete option. Alternatively, you can open the entry, tap edit at the top right side and then you can tap delete password option. In order to delete multiple entries, tap list icon at the top right side, select the entries and then tap delete at the bottom. Note that deleted passwords are stored in deleted section for 30 days. And after 30 days, those entries will be deleted permanently. You can recover password entry from the deleted section within 30 days of entry deletion. If any of your passwords is compromised or password is easy to crack, then you can find those entries in security section. If you want Passwords app to autofill passwords and passkeys when you try to log in to app or website, then make sure that autofill passwords and passkeys option is enabled. To check this, open Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Find Passwords app. Now tap to open. Now tap View Autofill Settings and Autofill Passwords and Passkeys option should be enabled. The Passwords app on iOS 18 makes managing your online credentials both simple and secure. From storing and autofilling passwords to generating strong ones, it streamlines the entire process. Remember to regularly update your passwords and take advantage of the app's security recommendations to stay protected from potential breaches. So that is how you can use Passwords app on iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.